Hello, my name is Eugene. I'm the Director of Product here at Source and Summit. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about sheet music customization. So at Source and Summit, any content that we provide is almost completely configurable so that you can provide your choir, accompanists, parishioners, and more with exactly what they need. Let's take a look. So for our first example, let's look at a hymn. So when I click into the settings, I can see that I have notation, I have key, harmonization, chord symbols, tune, and verses. So let's see these in action. I can change the text. I can change the key, up or down. I can add an accompaniment or harmonization. And I can also add chord symbols. Now let's take a second to look at the tune. So in instances where your parish is familiar with a text, you can alternately go in and change the tune that it's played to introduce them to new tunes. This is a great option for parishes who are pretty familiar with the text and are maybe looking to learn a new tune. This is also a good option if you know a tune, but you don't know a text. And then lastly here, you can change the verses. Now, if I go to the entrance chant, you can see that many of the options here are the same. To talk about some of the unique options, you can see that for verses, I can also add and remove. I can change the verses display to notate, which displays them all listed out. I can also change it to point. You can also see that I can change the lines to grouped as it is now, or to two line. I can change the tone, which changes this tone right here. And then you also see that I have a ability to add or remove a glory be. So I have it, let me remove it right there. And lastly, for an ordinary setting, you can see that we have effectively the same options. So in review, you can transpose music to keep your assembly and musicians singing in a comfortable range. You can configure music dynamically, changing keys, adding or removing verses, adding harmonizations and accompaniments. You can choose between modern notation or Gregorian notation. You can choose text layout. You can also start from scratch with your own score using our powerful chant editor. You can also change the hymn tune associated with the hymn text.